How to sign up on Gigsmart. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Gigsmart. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Gigsmart, you could also use my affiliate link below the description to earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount and rewards upon sign up. And if you don't know what is Gigsmart, it is a technology-driven platform designed to connect businesses with on-demand workers for short-term project-based or gig work. And the company aims to streamline the hiring process for both employers and workers by providing user-friendly app and web-based platform in which employers can post job opportunities, review workers' profiles, and hire qualified candidates quickly, while workers can browse gigs, apply for jobs, and manage their schedules directly through the platform. So as you can see, it is also available on your mobile phone, such as on App Store and also on Play Store. And to start signing in, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up for free on the top right corner in here. However, this application are only available for some country. And now to sign up by clicking the top right corner, you will be directed in here after signing in, and all you need to do is simply verify your email address to create your own password and select either business or personal account that you are creating. And from here, it will ask you what best describe your needs. I'm going to choose business if you're looking to hire or manage workers for a business. Or you could also click the personal right here if you're looking to hire workers for personal projects. I'm clicking this one and click the next button to proceed. Upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here to download the app, which is again available on App Store or Google Play Store. And you can install the application if you're looking to find a work or job in here. But for example, we're going to hire or manage workers for a business. I'm going to click the next button in here. Upon doing so, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter your business information. All you need to do, including here the organizational logo, or simply upload the logo of your business. And after uploading it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the organizational name in here, and also the business description below. So it is also the same process on how you can start filling out the required information when you're trying to apply or find a work using Gigsmart or using your mobile phone. And from here, you also need to select the number of your employees in your organization, and also enter your URL or website and the address in here. So after filling out all of this required information, all you need to do is simply click the next button below to proceed. So upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. The next thing that you need to do is simply enter your mobile number, which will be verified using the verification code that will be sent through SMS. So make sure you also check all of these boxes below that indicates that you agree to some of these terms and conditions. So now from here, after entering the code, you simply click the next button below to proceed. And you could also add a photo of yourself that will be served as your profile picture in here, and enter your first name, last name, and your personal information in here. And after that, just proceed by clicking the get started button after checking these boxes below. And upon doing so, you'll now be able to be directed on the dashboard where you can start hiring a people or a workers on this Gigsmart. So basically, it is also the same process. If you're looking to find a job using your mobile phone, you can install this application once again on your app, such as Apple Store or Google Play Store in here, in which you also need to fill out your name, your info, your address, age, and many more. So this is basically what the interface looks like when you install it on your mobile phone. However, once again, it is only available to some specific country. However, in my case, I'm not able to install this one since it is not applicable or available in my country. So I'm just using this web-based page. But moving on, going back in here, after that, all you need to do is simply scroll down until you find the very bottom of it and click this checkbox, which acknowledge all of the terms above, and click the agree and continue button to proceed. And we can now start navigating on the left side panel some of the options in here. We have here job posts, when we can start creating our job posts in here to hire our workers. You'd also click the calendar. We have here also shifts, home, when we can track here the calendar. We can also navigate on the left side panel, this reporting. It will show us the amount of total paid shifts, direct payments, and many more. So basically, this platform or application Gigsmart is an innovative platform that plays a significant role in the modern gig economy by connecting businesses with on-demand workers for short-term, project-based, or temporary jobs, in which its importance lies in its ability to address key challenges faced by both employers and workers, making it a valuable tool in today's flexible labor market.